Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to add fonts in a video or photo using CapCut. First of all, go to your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a photo and then add it. Go to Add Text. Go to Add Text and see there are many fonts. You can select any of them. I'm selecting this one. You can select style too. You can select color and increase its size. Okay, you can write something. See how simple it is. Well, you can drag it to your full video and see it's done. Now you can simply export it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment on this and share this video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.